You will lose sleep, you will miss meals, you will obsess on their family member and getting that justice for them.
A former top prosecutor gives us a revealing look at the pressure surrounding a high-profile case like the murder charge against fired Balch Springs police officer Roy Oliver. Good evening, I'm Clarice Tinsley. First on Fox 4 News at 5:30. The murder case against the fired officer will eventually go to the grand jury. That panel has a uniquely different role in officer-involved cases and unique challenges with the publicity surrounding this case, an officer shooting and killing unarmed 15-year-old Jordan Edwards. Fox 4 Sean Rabb sat down with Messina Matson, who was inside knowledge about the DA's investigative team. And Sean, what is the challenge for that unit?
Quite simply, getting at the truth, Clarice. Certainly aware of the attention these type cases draw from both sides as they present to a grand jury that has greater latitude in officer-involved shootings, those prosecutors wrestling at times with their own emotions. Thursday, Jordan Edwards' family and attorneys met with DA Faith Johnson and the district attorney's officer-involved shooting team.
Those are some of the hardest meetings you will ever have. You know a family is broken. You know their hearts are broken. You know they are in the depth of their grieving. And you know you're not going to fix it for them.
Messina Matson should know. First Assistant DA under Susan Hawk and part of the group that investigated these cases.
The officer-involved shooting team has multiple investigators, multiple prosecutors. They are handpicked because of their specialized knowledge.
She explains how the grand jury that will hear Roy Oliver's case has an expanded role with officer-involved shootings.
In an officer-involved shooting, the grand jury hears live testimony of every witness. They see all of the evidence. They will see any body camera footage. They will hear about testimony, and then they will get to hear from all of the parties involved.
Able to ask questions of those who testify.
They will be given all of the evidence, and then they make a determination of the highest level that there is probable cause. That may be murder, an intentional and knowing act. That could be manslaughter. It could be something less.
Protest, news conferences, images of pain-stricken parents are no pressure, says Matson, compared to the self-imposed pressure that comes with being on the OIS team.
So the pressure is just you want to do what's right. You know, the law enforcement very often has a thankless job. There are police officers out there who are doing, the vast majority are doing a very good job. So it's, as you're looking at the case, you are being very intentional of, is this a righteous shooting? And if it's not righteous, you do what your job demands and you seek justice.
Tough charge for the officer-involved shooting team. We checked with the medical examiner today. The manner and cause of death of young Jordan Edwards we know, but the autopsy is still in progress. Clarice, could be 8 weeks or more before complete.
All right, Sean, once the grand jury gets the case, any idea how long it could take to weigh the evidence?
Sure, it could take as long as a week or more. As you heard Messina Matson say, they will review all of the evidence. That includes all of the body camera video. There were 2 officers at the time of the shooting, so all of their body camera video, and then other officers who arrived later, their video as well. They'll have an opportunity to hear live testimony from all of the witnesses, and any of those witnesses, any of the grand jurors can question if they don't understand something or want to probe deeper. Whatever it is, they don't want to rush the grand jury referral process. They want to go through it slowly so the grand jurors can in fact make a decision about returning a true bill indictment on the murder charge or something else.
Sean, you've given us an interesting inside look at the process. Thanks.
Thank you.